Hello, time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today I'm going to show you where to find the Darkbringer sword, and you can get this absolutely free. You don't have to fight any enemies to get it. It is just sitting there for you to take, and it is in the Five Finger Mountain range over by the White Wastes Sanctuary. And you can get this as early as right when you start the game. You could run up here and grab this sword, and it's very helpful early game, early to mid game. And if I zoom out even further here, I will just show you it's over here to the northwest of Payloon, over also just west of the Silver Mountain in the Five Finger Mountain range. So straight north from Hernand. So just go on up there, run up there, and you can grab this. And there is that Abyss Nexus right by there. So from this Nexus, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just come up this way and just go straight and run right over this way, over these rocks. And then you are going to find a giant skeleton. And then you could put on your helmet and you can listen to the remains of the giant if you want. And then after you do that, you are going to just run right up here to the skull. I already got it, but the sword is going to just be right there in its mouth. That is where the sword will be. I already picked it up, but that is where it will be. And then I'm going to go into the inventory and show you the stats of this. So you'll be able to see that it's a really good, if you can get this right away, it's a very good sword to have, the Darkbringer. Attack 22, crit rate level 3 already. Then attack speed level 1. So it's a great sword. It's already refined to 4, and it has the Ader's Orb. And so it's a very good sword to have at the beginning of the game if you want to run up there and grab it. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.